Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is a fake security camera that I got from BNT. Let me see if I can get a little bit better exposure on there. Okay. And it looks very much like a real one. The theory, I guess, is that you put up fake ones and real ones and kind of mix them and match them together, and that's supposed to keep the burglars guessing about what's real and what's not. Anyway, it does have a daylight night sensor in it, so that at night there's a solid red light that comes on. I'll see if I can show that to you. And there it is. I made it as dark as I could on my workbench, and that's what it looks like if it's mounted outside at night. So I'm going to screw it up on my garage, and I will hope that it keeps the burglars and the porch pirates away. Give me a thumbs up or like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notification, and I will put a link down in the comment area for this item. Thanks. It's Froggy out. Bye-bye. And it does come with some screws. They look like they're stainless steel screws, suitable for outdoor. They do claim that this is weatherproof, and I would suggest put in some quality batteries if you're going to put it out there and just let it sit, because if you put in some cheap batteries and they leak, they will damage the unit. And these are some little sleeves if you want to put it into drywall inside. You can put it inside or outside.